Hello, this is Don Rowe with Berkshire Hathaway Parson Weisser Realtors located in Louisville, Kentucky. And I'm a realtor, associate broker affiliated with that company. I've been in the real estate business for quite some time, decades. And I want to give you just an overview of some tax saving possibilities, property tax exemptions as they're called. I'm going to go over about 4 categories. Again, it's a broad overview. It's going to require you to look into these yourself and so forth. But number one is called the Homestead Exemption. This is really built or designed for seniors, and those that are 65 years or older, and you must own or occupy a home. And they will reduce whatever your current property tax assessment is to if you want to apply for the Homestead Exemption. They'll reduce your basis, if you will, by $46,350. To give an example, let's say your home is assessed for $346,350. Well, they would subtract $46,350 from that, leaving you with a tax basis of $300,000. So that your property taxes now will be based on that amount. It may not sound like a lot of money. You know what? Every dollar counts. You deserve to keep every dollar you are able to receive, of course. Here are some others. Agriculture, horticultural exemptions or property tax exemptions. And this was set up, and I think it's fantastic. The state of Kentucky wants to preserve farmland. They want farmland to be used and continuously used and so forth. And I think it's fantastic. I'm not a farmer, but I certainly love what our farmers do for us, quite frankly. So if you own 10 acres or more, and they must be contiguous, it means connected, and you have crops on it, commercially used, that is, and so forth, then you're eligible for that. And this also includes any outbuildings, equipment, and so forth and so on, but look into that. And then you have the horticultural aspect, and those are 5 acres or more, contiguous, connected again. And that would be an explanation, not explanation, but example would be an apple orchard or, that type of thing. Again, commercially used. So you will look into that. Here's another one too, disability. If you are 100% disabled, so you can have an exemption on the property that you live in, albeit your home or a commercial building. So that type of thing. Another aspect of that is that if you are a parent or legal guardian of someone that's 100% disabled, then you would be eligible as well. So again, you must look into this. Another category would be nonprofits and religious organizations. And I'm just going to use the religious organization for an example. So your church, if there's a home that the minister or whomever is living in, the church owns, that's part of that. Any office equipment, printers, a car perhaps. You may have a campsite that's used, outbuildings for recreation, on and on. So, and those two fall under that category. The last one I'll use is called a moratorium. And by that is if you have a building, obviously you're paying taxes on, but you're wanting to do some work on it, it may take some time, or you're about to do that, you need to apply. They may put a hold on your property taxes. It may take some time to finish this project. I think it may be a 5-year window. Again, you will look into this. So they may freeze your real estate taxes until that project is completed. And the purpose of that too is that knowing the fact that you're improving your property, your tax basis will be higher. So when your taxes are back in play, the state of Kentucky will receive more monies because you've improved that property and it'll be assessed as such. So those are just some categories, if you will. This is a broad overview, but please, please, please look into this. If none of these apply to you, but you think there's someone that it would apply to or for or help, talk to them about this. So it's up to that individual to call their respective property valuation department in each county. I'm in Jefferson County, and these people are awesome. I mean, they are just top notch, in my opinion. So look into this. You can most likely go online. I don't know. I assume every county has this in the state of Kentucky, but look online, call them, peel back the layers and see if it applies to you. And again, if you know someone that might make that part of your conversation, especially seniors. I've met some that weren't aware of that. They may be just turning 65, never thought about an exemption. So there you go. But let's put it this way. If I can be of help to you in any way, form, or fashion, my cell phone is 502-314-0522. Use my decades of experience, real estate experience, to benefit you. You don't have to be a former client, a current client, or even a future client. You don't have to be. If I can help you, I love what I do. And my resume is, in my opinion, quite exemplary. From residential, commercial, I've worked on large developments, small developments, you name it. And maybe I can help you and point you in the right direction. Here's in a nutshell. You should explore every option you have available to you, whether selling your home, buying a home, or receiving these tax exemptions. So I am always available for you. Just simply call or text me, and hopefully I can be of help to you. And that's that. Thank you so much.